Let's quickly start with the almanac from yesterday. We saw a high of 56 in the Springs, 63 in Pueblo, and that really started our nice, beautiful warming trend here we've got going on for the weekend. Unfortunately, when we get this warm and dry in winter, all it takes is some breezy winds to increase our fire danger. So National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a red flag warning for today. It's from 11 till 6. Just don't do anything that can cause a spark outside, and we're good to go. It's going to be a beautiful afternoon to spend some time outdoors before we get really cold into next week. So we do also have a fire weather watch for Monday afternoon in these counties here in the tan color, and that's because we're going to get windy and warm ahead of a very strong cold front that arrives on Monday night. Now today we do have those breezy winds. They'll be around the 20-mile-per-hour range in Colorado Springs, around the 30-mile-per-hour range in Pueblo, and briefly we could see 30-35-mile-per-hour gusts in that red flag warning zone, which does include Colorado Springs today. 45 is where we're waking up this morning. Lots of sunshine with the sun rising. We can see a few clouds in the sky, but we're already at 12% humidity even this morning. So it's going to be a dry day as we continue to heat up. 52 in Pueblo right now, not a bad start, almost feeling like a spring start to the day. It's 11% humidity now, but our winds are already quite breezy at 22 miles per hour at the airport. So high temperatures today up to 67 in Pueblo, 63 in the Springs, and you'll note we are well above average today by at least 15 degrees, give or take a couple of degrees across the region. So we're going to be warm everywhere. Alamosa, 50 degrees today, definitely thawing out. 55 for Salida, about 46 in Woodland Park, 60s up and down I-25, even a couple of low 70s as you head into the eastern plains. La Junta is going to be a beautiful day. By tonight, dropping to the teens, 20s, a couple of 30s. We'll hold on to some of that heat tomorrow, but notice this dark blue color to the north. That's our cold front approaching, and it's going to cool us down quickly come Monday evening. So let's time things out. Starting the day Monday, we're going to be nice and mild here in southern Colorado. We'll start to see some mountain snow showers pick up through the afternoon. And then I paused here at about 8 o'clock. You can see all of these blue arrows coming in from a northerly wind, and that's our cold front surging through the area. By 8 o'clock, it's 17 degrees in Monument. It's still 30 in the Springs and 39 in Pueblo. As the front continues to dive south, those temperatures drop very quickly, and then we'll start to see snow showers making their way off the mountains and continuing Tuesday into Wednesday, ending by Thursday morning. Here's a first look at some of our snow totals expected. This is going to be a mountain storm. Everywhere here along I-25 is going to see less than 6 inches. This is what I'm seeing now, about 2 to 3 for the Springs, 1 to 2 in Pueblo. The Woodland Park, Canyon City could get at least 3 or more, and then into our highest mountain peaks, more like 1 to 2 feet. So for the next couple of days, we're still nice but breezy. Then we get bitter cold come Tuesday, Wednesday. So this Arctic blast arrives Monday night of light snow in the plains, lots of snow in the mountains, but it's going to take a while for this to all stack up. 2 full days of off and on snow showers. So don't expect to wake up on Tuesday with all of the snow already fallen. For Pueblo, 60s for the next 2 days. Then we're in the teens and 20s through the middle of the week with those snow showers Tuesday, Wednesday. Canyon City, you'll have slightly higher totals, so you are still at a 3 out of 5 on our storm impact scale. You're definitely going to need to alter your plans of when you're traveling, how long you're going to be out and about for next week. And finally, Woodland Park, mid-40s for the next 2 days. And then we get cold and snowy.
And I just saw high 60s right there on your graphic down in Pueblo. I mean, with all that wind, it may be able to cool off some of the people down there, because that just seems a little warm for mid-February.
It always surprises me how accustomed we get to the seasons, because when we have 50 or 60 degree days in the middle of winter, you're like sweating, but then in the summertime, that would feel like a really nice, cool, brisk day.
Yeah, with not a cloud in the sky too. We get a lot of those sunny days here in Colorado too, but we're very thankful for it. All right, thank you, Alex.